So today in Südoststeiermark we'll be doing a little trek around the village of Klöch. The scenic village of Klöch is situated near to the border of Slovenia and less than 10 kilometers from the town of Bad Radkersberg on the Austrian side. With a population of just over 1,000, Klöch has been continually inhabited at least as far back as the 14th century. Klöch, as it's called in modern German, is also known as Kiek in Slovenian, but was formerly also known as Klech in antiquity. Due to Klöch's close proximity to what was the realm of Hungary during the Middle Ages, the village had been the scene of numerous invasions and historical battles. The town is also famous for the ruins of the Klöch castle, which has been documented all the way back to the 14th century, where at the time, the village had no more than roughly 18 houses within its vicinity. The ruins were first mentioned in 1365, when Friedrich Wolfsauer received the castle from Duke Rudolf as a fief during the feudal era. It fell into ruins during the 18th century after it had been abandoned, but has since been bought by the Stroll family, who have helped to turn it into a monument of the town's history and heritage. What has largely been preserved of this castle is its thick 2.5 metre 4-storey high shield walls, along with the residential tower with an internal spiral staircase. Today, it also serves as a venue for many local functions and events. Today, Klöch is largely famous for its wine production and vineyards, and its wines have gained recognition throughout Europe, largely as a result of the town's production of Klöcher Traminer, a variety of grapes that have given the village the reputation of producing wine with a scent of rose. In fact, according to historical records, wine has been produced and traded here as far back as the mid-15th century. But it's not just wine and Klöch's beautiful vineyards that have given this town its famous reputation. Klöch is also known for its basalt, which has been used in the construction of the Fürstfelder Railway between the federal Austrian states of Styria and Burgenland. And of course, there is also another resource that Klöch has in which aids the local economy, and that is tourism. As well as being a quaint and attractive little market town with historical underpinnings, Klöch and its vicinity has an abundance of scenic views and hiking routes, one of its most famous ones being the Klöcher Weinstraße, or the Klöcher Wine Road in English, that actually runs from the town of Bad Radkersberg. Even within Klöch itself, there are numerous opportunities to visit some of the local vineyards, come across some of the local farms, observe the local wildlife, and to appreciate the local culture. All in all, Klöch is the perfect place to get an all-round experience of what more rural Austria has to offer. As well as absorbing some local history, nature walking and trekking, one also gets a taste of one of Austria's most prized and proud wine regions. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.